Did you know that in medieval times, people believed that carrying a rabbit's foot would bring good luck? Well, that's not the only strange superstition throughout history. Ancient Romans thought that if you heard thunder during a sneeze, it meant you were telling a lie. And in 17th century Japan, it was believed that saying, "halt," before a sneeze could protect you from evil spirits. These bizarre superstitions show just how colorful and diverse beliefs can be across different cultures and time periods. So, next time you sneeze, remember to watch out for thunder and evil spirits.